Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. Been another interesting week in real estate. Now, in terms of sales, sales are down about 2.6%. It's down to about 875 for the week. Now, there could be a bit of influence with the recent election with that, so we'll see where that takes us. But the interesting part about our stock levels are definitely lifting, up to 8,431. That's up 1.7%, which is up about for the last week, but that's up 5.1% for the last month. But again, that could be a lot to do with the recent election, and we're up on where we were a year ago by 7.5%. So let's see where that takes us. Now, rentals are still in high demand. Number of properties leased last week, 723, but the stock levels continue to drop, down to 2,362. That's down 3.7% on a week ago, down almost 20% on what it was a year ago. So we're still quite buoyant in that fact. So we'll see what unfolds. There are talks of different schemes, both federally and at state level. We'll see what happens with those in the coming weeks. There's plenty of talk. We know talk is cheap. We will see what unfolds from there. Now, last night we had a terrific night. Had 80 guests along to the 8th Cinema in Midland to watch the release of Top Gun 2, the old Maverick. Pretty exciting evening. Thank you to all the guests that came along and enjoyed the Gold Lounge with us. But yeah, terrific night, plenty of action, plenty of spills and thrills, and highly recommend to see the movie. But again, thank you to the clients who came along, and I hope you all enjoyed that. Just in Midland, just getting back to local business, inquiry rates around Midland still continue to be quite strong. We still are seeing investors looking into the Midland area, so if you are thinking about possibly selling, or if you're an investor looking at the new rent returns which have returned to the Midland area that are quite high now, and we're seeing some real positive signs for that. Into the hills, still here, pretty good demand. I know our commercial and industrial section are really still quite busy, and certainly would welcome anyone who's looking to lease any property to speak to them. They've certainly had a high demand in recent months. So the whole overall trend through the Midland area is still quite strong. So we still have plenty to look forward to. Anyway, all the best, and thanks again to those who attended last night. And in the meantime, check out realestateplus.com.au.